Hi, let's get editing your gift voucher. This is a standard DL size gift voucher and you'll fit 3 of these across a landscape A4 page. Everything's in its own individual text box. The lines are separate, all the text is separate, and as you highlight them, the toolbar will highlight as well. So as I highlight the gift voucher text box, you'll have upper lowercase. If you click that, it makes it upper lowercase. You can bold it, you can italics it. You can also make it larger, you can make it smaller, and if you want to change the font, just go to the font tab and a whole bundle of fonts will appear. You can click on them, change them, or you can go undo. That's my favorite button, and same for the handwriting font. These are also just in their individual text box. If you click the line tool will appear. This is your line weight. You can make it bigger. Like if you went 5, it'd be a lot bigger. If you, but personally I think 1 is nice for, it's a little bit more modern and elegant. These have been grouped, so all what it is 4 lines of text. If you highlight it, you go ungroup, and that way you can just edit one at a time. But I like to group some things together so they stay neat and tidy, and as you move them, they don't come apart. This is actually just a line of text made into a circle with a graphic. I've grouped them. I'll go ungroup. I'll pull it apart. The graphic has just come from the Elements tab, and if you click that, and you can click on, you can find the graphics and pick something that you like. This is the line text, so as I've highlighted that, the effects bar has popped up, or the effects tab. Click on that, you'll notice it's highlighting the curved. If I hit the non-curve, or no curve, it'll go into straight text. Personally, I like the round curve, and down, I'll just move this. Down on the bottom is how you can stretch it or bring it back out. I actually like the curved text. If you don't want to use it, just get rid of it and pop your logo there. This is actually a grouped text box as well, so I'll ungroup it just to show you. You can pull the text out. If you want to edit the text, you probably don't want the 1, 2, 3, so I'll remove it. If you highlight the text that's left, the GB hash, you can go to the alignment tab, make it to the left, middle, right, whatever you like. This is a text box which I've actually added a border, lightweight border of black. So if you click that, go to the border style, you can click on that and it will remove the border, but you probably won't see anything. But if I click on it, pop the border weight back on, and I might make it a 1 as well. And if you want, you can change the color of the background. You can make it pink, whatever you like. If you want to change the text, you just go highlight that text box, and you can also change that color into a pink as well. So I hope that's helped, and if you have any issues, don't hesitate to contact me.